Hey everyone, and welcome back to Journey to Home Sweet Home with Pearl. Today I have a Costco haul for you guys. I haven't done one of these in a while, so let's get right into it. So I bought some of this chicken thighs, boneless skinless chicken thighs, and it's $23.69 for 1.824 kilograms. And then again, chicken thighs, $25.67 for 1.97 kilograms. And so I bought the club pack. This will probably give us 4 meals each, so it's hopefully should last for the month or at least 3 weeks, because we cook a lot of chicken. Okay, then $24.82 for boneless skinless chicken breast. This is the Kirkland brand, so quite a bit here as well. This is 2.07 kilograms, so really good buy. Then I bought some McCain straight cut fries. These were $4.99. I can't remember. It's $4.99. Then some Sabatoso's pizza singles. If you watched my previous Costco hauls, you'll know that we like this pizza. They're the individual size, and they come with pepperoni, 6 pepperoni, 6 cheese, and it's really good. We love that pizza, so decided to buy that, and yeah, that was $11.99. Then I bought some omega-3 eggs. These are $6.29 for the 2 packages. Then some Pillars turkey breast. This is the Pillars free, simply free, so it's I believe it's free of preservatives and things like that, so and antibiotics, so it's got natural ingredients and no antibiotics. And there's 3, and I believe it was $11.99 for the 3 pack. And then I bought some red Citrus grapes, and they come in this big tub, 3-pound tub, and they were $7.99. And then $4.89 or $69 for these strawberries, and they are 2 pounds. But the thing is, what I like about Costco fruits is they're always good and they're always sweet, so decided to buy that. Then $1.59 for this bag, and it's a 3-pound bag of bananas. Okay, now I'm gonna just get the rest and show you guys. I'm back, and I just have the rest of the food items. So we have here Kirkland's soft and chewy granola bars, and again, if you watched my previous hauls, Costco hauls, you'll see that we like this granola bar. And sorry guys if you hear coughing and the TV in the background. My family's home, so we're just rolling with it. And yeah, so I will link my previous Costco hauls up above, and you can take a look at those. I'll try to also link it down in the description box below. Okay, then I bought Kirkland's, again, popcorn, and here's a funny story. While I was in the store, I was looking at the Orville Redenbacher popcorn, which is 24 in the case, and I believe it was like 12 something, 12.69 or 12.99, something like that. And while I was looking at it, a man came up to me and said, "Oh, you should buy this one because it's better, and the lady over there is giving a sample, and that it's really good, and you get 44 inside." And I thought, oh, okay, so went over, tried the sample, and sure enough, it is better tasting than the Orville Redenbacher one, in my opinion. Okay, so this was the Kirkland signature, and then it was also the Orville Redenbacher was 14 something, and these were 12 something. I believe that's what it was. So it worked out to be way more cheaper and better tasting. Okay, then I also bought Ocean's wild pink salmon, 6 in the pack. This is a good deal. I believe it was 13 something, so it's supposed to be like 2 something for each, so not a bad price. Then Villaggio whole wheat bread. Now they did have the Dempster's, which I bought in the past, but I'm not too fond of the Dempster's whole wheat. I don't know, I kind of find it a little bit dry. So we like Villaggio, even though they are smaller slices, but the kids like it better. So we're gonna go with that this time around. Then Tostitos restaurant style chips, just the big one, and we like to eat that with the salsa. And then Ruffles all dressed chips. So I asked my kids what they want. I allowed each one of them to pick one out. Actually, two of them to pick one out. And so this is what they chose: all dressed and Doritos. And so yeah, we, you know, they are kids, so we have to have this on hand sometimes. So that's it for the food items. I'm going to show you a few items that I bought that are non-food items that did add to the cost of the haul, and then I'll give you the total cost at the end. Okay guys, so this is the Kirkland Signature Bath Tissue. You get the 30 rolls, so there's actually 425 sheets per roll. It is a big roll. It's kind of like a double roll. You know, I usually buy cashmere, but I usually buy cashmere, the double rolls, and these are very comparable. They're actually a little bit bigger. They're longer than the cashmere, so you are getting more in the roll. And my mom told me about these, and she recommended them because she had bought them. And I took a roll from her and I tried it out, and it was really good. It was really comparable. You know, some of the tissue, the toilet paper tissue, it has like it rolls when you wipe. This one does not. So very good tissue. So if, you know, if everything works out cost wise and how we use it, then I'll probably be buying this again. But so far, you know, trying it from what my mom gave me, it seems to work really well. So bathroom tissue, this was $16.99 for the whole thing. So really good buy. Okay, now this is the last of the items. Now I needed a new bath towel, and these are really good. These are bath sheets. They're really long. You can see this is half the length here. So these were $9.99, and they're so fluffy. So I can't wait to try these out. If they work out, I'll probably go back and buy some more in this color, just so, because what I wanted to do is for the family have a color for each family member, and that way I can put all their towels in the linen closet and we wouldn't get mixed up. Okay, then I bought these two novels for my son. He likes the author Rick Riordan, and he was reading the other series. I believe they showed it in one of my Costco hauls again. I'll try to link that above so you can see which one it was. But he is 12 years old, and he likes, you know, this series as well. And it's Magnus Chase. So this is the first book. Sorry, this one here is the first book, The Sword of Summer. And then Magnus Chase, The Hammer of Thor. Now, these are $6.29 each. Normally, these would be like $10.99 each in Canada. So really good buy on those. So I'm glad that you know, I didn't just go out and buy it from Chapters or something. So really good. Then I bought this. I've been wanting a workbook for my youngest. She's in grade 1, and so we bought this, and you can see she's started it already. And what I love about it is it's just so colorful and big writing, and makes it really fun and easy for them to understand. So this is the complete Canadian curriculum. It has math, English, social studies, and science, and it was $9.99. So really good buy there. So it's all 4 books in one. Then we picked up this barbecue tool, and this is to clean the barbecue. So we had a wire brush, but we were reading that the wire brushes are not that great because the wires come off and could possibly get into your food. So we decided this year that we would buy one of these, and so you clean the grill with these. And yeah, we're going to try it out and see how it works. Maybe I'll do a review for you guys. This is the Get Groovin' barbecue tool. When my husband opens this, I will do a review of this. So that's it. That completes the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Overall, the cost was $314. That's everything with tax, including these non-food items. If you wanted the price of anything individually, give me a message down below and I will reply back to you on the cost of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe if you like hauls and anything to do with home, life, and family. Take care, guys. Bye.